How to delete your Spotify account on your mobile device. In this short video, I'm going to show you how you're able to delete your Spotify account on your mobile device. But before I do that, please don't forget to like this video and also subscribe to the channel. Okay, so there's no actual way of deleting your Spotify account through the mobile app. So what you need to do is head over to your internet browser such as Google Chrome and go to spotify.com website. Once you're there, tap on your profile icon in the top right hand corner and ensure that you're logged into your account. So as you can see, I'm already logged into my account, which is good. And then back here from the home page, I'm going to tap on the gear icon in the top right hand corner. And then I'm going to tap on view account. Next, tap on the three lines in the top right hand corner of the page. And then tap on support. Next, scroll down, then tap on the option that says account help. Then tap on account settings. And then the next option is closing your account and deleting your data. Next, there are two ways to be able to close your account. If you have premium, you click on the first link to close your account and delete your data. Or if you don't have premium, scroll down and the second link says close your account and delete your data under don't have premium. So I'm going to click on that one. And then next, just click on the green button that says close my account and delete my data. And it says after you close your account, we will email you a link which you can use to reactivate it within 7 days. After those 7 days, your account cannot be reactivated and the process to delete your data will be initiated. You can always create a new one. To ensure that you really want to close your account, if you change your mind, you can do so within 7 days. After 7 days, it's too late. You can't change your mind, but you can create a new account. And that's what it takes to delete your Spotify account on your mobile device. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.